Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to stop receiving messages on Instagram without blocking anyone. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and find the person you want to stop receiving messages from. Go to their profile and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Instead of blocking them, select Restrict. *** when you restrict someone. Their messages will move to the Message Requests folder, so they won't appear in your main inbox. They won't know that they've been restricted. Their comments on your posts will also be limited. If you want to stop receiving messages from everyone, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Messages and Story Replies and tap Message Requests. *** under your followers on Instagram, *** select Don't Receive Requests. Do the same for others on Instagram. *** this will stop all new message requests from reaching you. That's it. You can now stop receiving unwanted messages without blocking anyone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. See you next time.